Good morning, guys. I'm Abhinav. This is 23 Rides, Jasween, and he is struggling right now. This is the life of a vlogger. Don't be a vlogger, be a person who rides their motorcycles and not, tries to shoot videos with the motorcycles. Instead of riding, this man just wants to take shots. He has had the Ducati Desert X for 10 days now. This is the second time he's riding it. And now we are not riding, by the way. He's just struggling to find a place where he can mount his camera. All jokes aside, we are at the Summer Sprint Trail. I'm on the Himalayan 450, like always, running Rise Nobbies, which are, well, they've got a lot of crap on them. And I have the Raagir Unrack 15 trackless bags. Jasween has the Ducati Desert X Rally. This is a pretty special motorcycle, and yeah, he has it in the Enduro mode, which brings down the power to about 75 bhp. Pretty special motorcycle. Kayaba, fully adjustable, Kashima coated and diamond coated, forks, front stanchions. I think these are 48 mm and 250 mil of travel at the front, 240 at the rear. Absolutely adjustable. Just look at the quality. Look at the billet aluminium parts on this motorcycle. Brake lever, you can get it in the off-road position. You can pull out the rubbers in a moment. Very nice motorcycle. It comes with an Olin steering dampener as standard. Look at this thing of beauty, the GPS navigation bar, again a billet aluminium piece. Very nice motorcycle. XL Takasago rims. These are narrower than the tubeless spoke trims that come on the regular Ducati Desert X. I'll also tell you why. The reason why this doesn't have tubeless spoke trim is because this motorcycle is meant to go where a normal ADV probably wouldn't. So when a lot of stones and rocks are flying and hitting the rim, the spokes are exposed in the tubeless spoke rims, and then those stones can damage your those stones can damage the spokes, the rims, and those rims, they're not really fixable. So these are very strong 7000 series aluminium rims, narrower at the front, narrower at the rear, I believe. Performance rims. In fact, you know what, Jasween? Just these rims from Ducati, they come for about 2.5 lakhs or so.
But the Indian public only wants cross-spoke wheels, no? They were commenting on my post. At this price also we are not getting cross-spoke wheels.
तुझे रोड पे कैसे लगी ये?
रोड पे बहुत बढ़िया है यार. It is very good on the road. The only thing is that the windshield is not very good for touring.
You can get a touring windscreen as an optional accessory.
I think the standard Desert X has a better windscreen.
No, it has the same windscreen. Same.
Because I saw someone using an accessory which was a wider windscreen.
That's a touring windscreen. This is the standard Desert X and this motorcycle. They are pretty much the same. The only difference is the suspension, the billet aluminium parts, the wheels.
The rally seat is also there on the standard one?
No, I mean you can get it as an optional accessory, right? But this is the rally seat. It has a dampener. It has this bar. We can't go very fast, because the Ducati is not ours. It's Ducati India's motorcycle, and they have trusted us with the media unit. I was the first person to get the media bike in the country, but due to certain reasons, health reasons, I could not ride the motorcycle after the first 2 days. So instead of just letting the motorcycle being parked at my house, I told Ducati if they can give Jasween the bike so that at least he can ride it, put out some videos. Okay, so why does this motorcycle exist? Well, it's a novelty product, it's a halo product. It's never going to be the highest seller because motorcycles in this segment are about 10 lakh rupees cheaper than this bike. However, this is what is a what if motorcycle. What if we throw the best parts on a bike and see what happens? This is what happens. Magic. I've ridden this bike on the road. I haven't ridden it on the trail yet, but it's the best adventure touring motorcycle I've ever read. The most off-road oriented motorcycle adventure bike I've ever ridden. Just the suspension, man. It's a game changer. It's a difference maker. Really, really, really sweet. I don't think you were ever going to bottom out that suspension with that amount of suspension travel. And you sit so high up in such a commanding position. Off-road, you're barely going to sit, but very, very, very commanding motorcycle. And power is usable, you know. Like you'd be crazy to say that a 110 horsepower motorcycle, the power is usable, but it really is. You're not going to use all 110 of it, but you know, ride it like 5,000, 6,000 RPM in the city. It just feels easy to control, very easy to maneuver, very easy to control. And the riding position, my God, so good, so good. In fact, and I've ridden the original Desert X as well. I've had quite a bit of experience on the original one. Such a beautiful motorcycle, that one. So this motorcycle is a Desert X on steroids, on you know, beauty parts, fancy parts, but extremely functional. It's not just an exercise in fashion, I would say. It's a very, very, very purpose-built motorcycle. Is it for everybody? No, because it is a very large motorcycle. So either you've got to be tall, at least 5'8", 5'9", or you know, be skilled enough. By being skilled enough, I mean, you know, you got to have enough experience on this motorcycle, on let's say an ADV, to be able to ride it. This cannot be somebody's first motorcycle, that's for sure. That'd be foolish to try and learn how to ride on a Ducati Desert X Rally. Anyway, with the kind of money it commands, not a lot of people are going to buy this bike, especially in our country. But for whatever numbers it does, it's gonna make its customers very happy. Like, if I was in the market today to buy a motorcycle for 25 to 30 lakh rupees, let's say, I would not buy the 1300 GS, I wouldn't buy the 1200 Tiger. So yeah, I wouldn't buy another motorcycle if I had this kind of money. I'd probably put my money down on this bike, or maybe even the Aprilia Touareg 660 if I really wanted a big bike, because the idea is the same, right? Light enough, capable enough motorcycle with ample amounts of power. I've ridden Jasween's Tiger 900 Rally. Now, even though it is, you know, it'll do whatever that you will be able to do on the Ducati, but it just doesn't feel as special as the Ducati. The Ducati is just, it's a very, very, very special feeling motorcycle. It's very characterful, very characterful. The L-Twin, there's just torque everywhere, and you know, it's not the smoothest of motorcycles, which is something that I really like. I appreciate that about it, because it just makes it feel very lively. This is where Jasween will have the advantage, obviously, if he really wants to, but again, you know, nobody's going to be that stupid on this bike. Yeah, if I had the kind of money to spend on a bike right now, it would probably be the Ducati Desert X Rally. Yeah, I mean, you know, you buy this motorcycle and at least for the next 5 years, you don't have that itch to upgrade till there's a better motorcycle in the market, which eventually will happen because that's how technology works. In my opinion, the Desert X is a very easy motorcycle to ride. The Desert X Rally is an even easier motorcycle to ride, a lot more fun than anything else I've ridden. What I think of this bike, you know, the Ducati Desert X, compared to, let's say, a Tiger 900 Rally Pro. So Rally Pro is just such a lovely motorcycle to ride, but this makes it look a little bit pedestrian, if I'm brutally honest. However, there is a massive price gap. This is 27 lakh rupees. The Rally Pro must be about 20. So massive price gap. But can you justify it? That is up to you, you know. There is no justification for a motorcycle like this. No rational justification. It's a motorcycle. It's not a need, right? So it's a want. So how much are you willing to spend for something that you want? That is something that only you can decide. Nobody else can decide it for you, because this is a decision largely driven by the heart and not the mind. The mind will always tell you that there is no need to buy a Ducati Desert X Rally. The heart will always tell you, yeah, this is the bike to go for. Because remember, you'll never be able to fully exploit the potential that that motorcycle offers. It's as good as anything out there, maybe better. So, you know, you'll never be able to exploit this motorcycle's full potential. We are very tired. We are on the trail. It's very humid, so extremely exhausting. That's 23 rides. Jasween Chawla. Jasween, कैसी हालत हो रही है?
Bhai, we have just ridden for 18 minutes and it's pouring right now. Not the rain, but the sweat. Buri halat hai. The trail is also a little tricky today because of the rains. There is a lot of slush in between and you don't know where the front tire will wash out. So we are being extra cautious today. Electrol in the hydration pack. That is our only go-to thing right now. Do you have electrol in your hydration pack, Abhinav?
अबे स्टिंग का क्या हुआ? हमने ली?
तूने उठाई नहीं स्टिंग?
नहीं.
Yeah, very good, Abhinav, very good.
So
this guy bought a sting at the start of the trail, 2 stings, 40 rupees, and he left it at the store. So we are swapping bikes. I am going from the 27 lakh rupee Ducati Desert X Rally to the 72 lakh rupee Himalayan 450 with knobbies that has been modified by Mr. Abhinav Bhatt.
see, people, these are the kind of rich assholes who mock, you know, humble everyday man's motorcycle. These are the people with these big bikes
Very nice,
who
very nice
make
argument to
fun
get some comments.
of
Very
people. Everybody go to 23 Rides channel and tell him how much of an asshole this guy is.
good. This is with the rally cowl.
Yes.
And this bastard.
You know that rally cowl adds 5 extra bhp, right?
Yeah, rally cowl adds 5 extra bhp and 2 more bhps extra each with the Ragir luggage system.
Haan.
So let's go.
Okay, let's go. So guys, hello. I am gonna ride the Ducati now. Okay, so time to put the motorcycle in enduro mode. Okay, it's in enduro mode now. And ABS, hold the button to disable ABS. Okay, ABS is off. All right, so now we ride the Ducati Desert X Rally. Holy shit, it's already, oh yeah. हाँ जाऊँ? Okay. Oops. I think I'll just go through. My God. You know, I was under the impression that how different would a Ducati be than the Himalayan. I know that's a crazy talk, right? But I was thinking I'm just going to ride at slow speeds, 30, 40, 20, 50, those kind of speeds, right? So they're going to feel the same on the trail. No, they don't. This is like, oh my god, the torque. Like I can feel, without even having ridden the motorcycle 200 meters, I can feel that there's so much torque on offer. And the riding position is just spot on. It is better than the Himalayan 450 Rally in the sense that the bars are taller. I will have to get used to the bike and the tires here, because these tires don't offer the same grip as the Nobbies that I was just riding. So just let's get a feel of the bike. Very nice. Oh my god. The feeling is different. The feeling is very special on this bike. And I mean,
You are Mr. TRP.
so I was just saying on camera that I need to get used to these tires because they don't offer the same grip.
No, don't bullshit. You're simply lacking skills.
That's true. मैं खड़ी करता हूँ मैं.
गिरा सकता है तू.
हाँ? Oh god.
Behemoth is gonna be a big task. Can we try and exert the force together? Because it.
Let me just see if I can pick it up.
Grab rails.
Let me just see if I can pick it up.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't get a heart attack in the process.
Okay.
Can you switch off the ignition, please?
Yeah. I lost the rear, yaar.
That's why we call all these journalists are, so hungry for TRP. They just start a big bike and they tip it over in the first 10 minutes. Yeah. Go, baby. Go. Deadlift, Mr. Deadlift. Yeah. Very good. Finally, the work that you have been putting in the gym is paying off, Abhinav. You have lifted up. You have picked up a 232 kg adventure rally, a rally motorcycle single-handedly. That's very good. I hope nothing is damaged.
No.
Pegs folded in.
Nothing
The
happened.
Gear lever, the brake lever is also fine.
Nothing happened.
The motorcycle is looking even more beautiful after all the muck. See, all the tread has gone on the tire because the mud has stuck in and made it a little flat. That's why I think you were losing traction. Why did you go from inside this thing and you were avoiding all the other earlier puddles and you decided to go through this?
I thought this was an easier motorcycle to ride, like more fun to ride. So I wanted to.
I was, about to say that Abhinav is riding it very slowly and, riding it in a very flowing manner, in control.
That's what I was trying to do.
He's trying to be very cautious.
That is what I was
good.
trying to do.
But then you did this. So, should we go back and swap the bikes again, or you want to?
Yeah, let's ride.
Yeah?
I fell in 500 meters, yaar.
Yeah, you fell in 500 meters.
Fuck. It's part and parcel of the game. I tried to save it a little, but I couldn't.
Want to ride this again or what?
Yeah?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just so used to Nobbies now that I think my riding has gone to shit on regular tires. How your confidence just takes a hit, second. Third. Oh, the fact that it has an up and down quick shifter, you know, with auto blipper, makes things extremely easy. The rear brake lever being adjustable really helps. घुमा घुमा यहाँ से साइड से घुमानी पड़ेगी. No way. You want me to sink a 27 lakh rupee motorcycle?
I think you can.
Very nice. It's in your name, huh? You've signed the waiver.
How do we?
We turn back.
I was thinking of zooming ahead from here.
We just had a nice breakfast at the Haryana Tourism Cafe, and now we are going back. Ooh. Forgot to turn the ABS off. Okay, looks like we're going through. Wow. Okay, let's just go through the puddles then. Yeah, straight through. Yep. I will need to maintain a certain amount of distance from him. ये निकल जाएगी यहाँ से? आप लोगों की ये गाड़ी निकल जाएगी? सही है यार।
फट गया टायर अपने।
अच्छा टायर ही फट गया? सही है। Hey man, I'm very well. I think it's that. हाँ।
हम लोग तो 1 घंटे से खड़े हैं, 1-1.5 घंटे से।
हाँ,
After that-
कुछ हेल्प चाहिए? बाहर से कुछ लेके आना है?
हो गया, जो हमें चाहिए था वो मिल नहीं रहा था, हवा भरने वाला, बिकॉज पैट आई डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग।
ओह ओके।
सर 1 घंटे पहले क्यों नहीं आए तुम?
हाँ
आए थे इस डायरेक्शन में, हमने देखा था साइड में लगी हुई थी तुम्हारी गाड़ी।
नहीं तब तो हम वो तब
कब?
नहीं फटा था,
तब नहीं।
तब तो उधर लगी हुई।
अच्छा,
तो
चलो ऑल्स वेल दैट एंड्स वेल, एक्सपीरियंस हो गया,
अभी देखो हमने क्रॉस नहीं किया है एंड
वो भी हो जाएगा।
हो जाएगा।
बाइक बीच में लगा के आए हैं
किसके?
अपनी,
उससे क्या हुआ?
थोड़ा कार को मोमेंटम चाहिए होगा।
नहीं लेकिन वहाँ तक थोड़ी जाएगी मोमेंटम के साथ।
वहाँ तक नहीं ले आना है ना?
हाँ
बहुत धीरे ले आएंगे।
चलो, आई एम गोना पुश ऑफ यार,
Alrighty.
सी यू मैन।
See you.
अभिनव,
You there at the last coffee trail, were you?
नो,
No.
यू आर
Gagan.
ओके, नाइस टू मीट यू मैन।
Same here.
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस। हाँ,
पूरा नहा लिया मैं।
मज़ा आया ना लेकिन।
आगे लेंस साफ है।
हाँ साफ है, साफ है, साफ है एकदम।
मैंने कहा ऐसे कि
अरे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार।